We have published again about the inflation on the islands, also on the island of Saba. This is an investigation that we publish it once every quarter, and it's an investigation that takes place every month. What we see for Stasia, we compare, now we're comparing the prices of the second quarter of 2022. If we compare with what happened a year before, we see that the prices have risen with 8.2% in 2022, the second quarter, compared to the second quarter of 2021. If we compare at what happened with the first quarter of 2022, we see that the prices have risen on average with 2.8%. And especially we see that the food prices have risen with 3% compared to a quarter before. Transportation also has become more expensive, especially because we see the prices of cars have risen with 4.6%. The prices of petrol with 7.4%, and also the prices of flights have increased with 11.2%.
Saba is a very small community. Was it very difficult to get this information with your partners up on the island of Saba, or was it easy?
This is an investigation that we have been carrying out since 2011. We have the way that we collect the data. Maybe it's good to explain what kind of data entails the inflation. We collect data at the supermarkets. We collect data about goods and services, banking services, for example, insurance, and we collect data of online purchases that consumers do. And all these goods and services are based on what a household would consume on average during a month. And this is based on a budget survey that we carried out a few years ago, and based on that we know what are the services, the products and services that a household would consume. So as I was saying, we have been carrying out this research for a long time already, and we publish 4 times a year, and that means that our the people that cooperate with us are used to seeing us already, and it's been going very well. We're very grateful for the cooperation that we are getting, and it's statistics that benefits all of us. So we want to thank everybody for the way that they are helping us.